Watch this one before it's too late. This review may get lost in the SERPs, so watch it before it disappears. Now, before I get started, I want to let you know, just for making it to this review video, I am giving you a freemium bonus. Click the first link in the description below to get 25, yes, that's right, 25, how to make money on the internet courses delivered to you instantly. Get that freemium bonus by clicking the first link below. Now, to get the product that I am reviewing, you would click the second link in the video description below. And when you do, you are going to receive an additional 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1. Transform your website into an engagement powerhouse. Introducing the Survey Logic WP plugin, your ultimate tool for real-time connection. Why, guess what your audience wants when you can ask them directly and intelligently? Say hello to the Survey Logic WP plugin, the game-changing tool that's about to revolutionize the way you engage with your readers. With its cutting-edge conditional logic, this easy-to-use plugin allows you to create fully customized surveys and quizzes that adapt based on user responses, ensuring a personalized interaction every time. Bonus number 2. Unlock the secret weapon of SEO masters. Writing articles to get backlinks, your ultimate guide to skyrocketing your website's visibility. Harness the power of your pen and catapult your website to the top of search engine rankings with our revolutionary strategy. Writing articles to get backlinks. If you've got a knack for writing, it's time to turn your talent into your greatest asset for online promotion. Dive into the world of article directories with massive followings and place your website on the digital map, all without spending a dime. Bonus number 3. Unlock the secrets to digital domination and get the ultimate guide to launching your first digital product. Are you ready to catapult your digital product into the stratosphere and watch your sales skyrocket? Launch like a legend. Digital Product Mastery Unveiled is not just a freemium bonus, it's your secret weapon in the fiercely competitive digital arena. This explosive guide is packed with insider tips, proven strategies, and jaw-dropping tricks that the top digital moguls don't want you to know. Now that we have that behind us, let's get to the review.
Welcome to Anonymous AI. James and Max here. We are so excited to have you here because 2024 is rocking. We're making a ton of money and we're doing it the way that we want, the way that we love, and now we're going to bring it to you. And what is it that's so great about this? What's so great is that now we're giving you what you've been asking for. People want to be anonymous. People don't want to show their face online. People want to make money, but they don't want to put in the work. When you're using the power of being anonymous, you're using the power of AI, and most importantly, when you're using the timing and going after a brand new marketplace, all those things combined in an easy to use but yet super powerful package, the money is insane. So think about it. You don't have to show your face. You don't need everybody all up in your business about what you're doing online. You can use a specific, special AI tool that we've created to help you dominate this. You can be in front of literally millions of people in a brand new marketplace where money's coming in like crazy, and you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to do any support. You just follow this system and everything is there for you to absolutely dominate it in 2024. But the timing is key. Now's the time. Not a year from now, not 6 months from now. Now, if you get in now, anyone that buys this product, everything is just wide open. It's wide open with what you can do. But if you wait 6 months from now, you're going to have a ton more competition. But right now, us, people that buy Anonymous AI, people that take action, are going to absolutely destroy anyone else that's not even aware that this is possible. Max?
Yeah, guys, I'm super excited that you made it to this page here, that you're watching this video now, because this is really a super important moment for you that you should not miss out on, because yeah, we're crushing it with this. And for you, it has never been as easy as it is right now to see big results online, as James already mentioned, without having to show your face and without really pretty much having to learn any skills at all, as everything is done for you already. This is brand new, a brand new marketplace, a brand new opportunity. And if you take action on this, then you will definitely be able to dominate 2024 and make this your year. And yeah, once again, I'm super happy to have you here. And now it is just really, really important that you go ahead and you click this button below this video and join us right now.
Absolutely. So again, be completely anonymous. Use the power of AI. You don't have to work. You don't have to struggle. You get in front of a brand new marketplace where traffic comes to you like crazy. When you use the power of the AI, when you use the power of this process where we lay out exactly what to do, it's insane. The opportunity is there. We can't wait to have you be a part of this. We're crushing it. Now you crush it with Anonymous AI. Pick it up below.